Well, hey everybody, I'm Bill,
And I'm Elizabeth with Live Simple.
Live Free, and we are in the process of doing our first trip down to our new house to move stuff. We are not moving down there yet. Like we've said in previous videos, we're going to be here and there for a couple of months. We're not moving down until sometime probably end of January or something like that. I don't know, but we don't really have all that much stuff to move, so we don't need to get a great big U-Haul moving truck.
Yeah.
And since we're doing several, numerous trips down there, we're just going to take it in stages. So I'm heading down there tomorrow because I'm going to finish painting the inside of the house down there and get everything ready for us to move in, and probably work on building the little shed down there. So since I'm going down anyway, I'm going to rent a U-Haul trailer, and we're going to use my pickup and the trailer to try to move down basically all of our furniture out of our sunroom. We've already moved the couches, but we need to move the china cabinets. We have two of them, a dresser, a bookshelf, a rocking chair, stuff like that.
Yeah.
And then we'll be taking stuff out of the shed, things like our big bicycle, my lawnmower, my generator, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So we won't be touching anything here in the trailer where we're living because we're still living here, but we're going to take all the peripheral stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we just over the last few years inherited two china cabinets.
Yeah, one from my mother and one from her mother.
Yes, and so I'm kind of excited. I'll actually kind of have somewhere to put them now. That's kind of cool.
Right.
Yeah.
So, and it's really cold out right now.
Oh, it's so cold.
It's about 20 degrees, but the wind chill is probably below zero. Fortunately, inside the sunroom, there's no wind, but it's still 20 degrees out there. So it's really nasty working, but we're getting it done.
Yep, getting it done. Just have to thaw it every now and then, but it's getting all loaded up and ready to go.
Right.
So.
Bicycle trailer, prepper stuff to haul water. So we are headed further south.
Wrapping up. I wouldn't exactly call this a sunroom today. I tried keeping my gloves on, but you can't pick up the little pieces of paper with the gloves on.
It's about 20 degrees today, which means it's 20 degrees in this sunroom too.
Yep.
It's a beautiful morning this morning here in Virginia. After I got packed up last night, I pretty much drove through the night, and it was horrible weather for the first few hours. Heavy snow. It didn't lay on the road because it was 33 degrees, but it was really bad visibility because of the heavy snow and fog, and of course dark. And then I basically drove through the night. I got here about 1:30 this morning. So slept a few hours, and now I gotta unload this. So I unloaded the U-Haul trailer, and then I took it back to U-Haul, and then I came back here and unloaded the truck. And just as I was finishing, I realized I had forgotten to turn the camera on. Sorry about that, but you know, really, it's just unloading a truck. How exciting can that be? Anyway, so I got all that stuff unloaded. So we've pretty much got everything in the living room, all the big furniture in the living room now. Almost all of this, well, in fact, all of this was in the sunroom up at our trailer. A couch, recliner, a couple of end tables, that corner piece, and her rocking chair that she loves so much. And then this piece over here is actually something that my great-grandfather Ole Schlager made, and he was a wood carver. And you can see here some of the detail of the wood carving that he did. And some more up here. There's a horse, some other stuff. He did all this. We didn't have room for this in our little trailer, so my son had this, and now that we have room for it, he brought it back. So if you'd like to see more about my great-grandfather's carvings, I also did a video last summer when we were in Oklahoma with my sister, because she has a lot of it. And so you can see more of the detail, and I'll put a link up here on the left so you can see that if you're interested. So here's our kitchen with the new yellow walls. And you can see on the left I have the two china cabinets that we inherited from our mothers. And we have the temporary table set up right there. We're actually going to have room for a table. And then we have this. the washer and dryer. We had to buy a new one because we left the old one with the trailer that we're selling, and we bought the same identical one that we had before because we really like it, and we got a great Black Friday sale price on it as well from Lowe's. So I got all the walls in the bedrooms painted last time I was here, but I still have to do the closets, get rid of this awful green. Going to be painting it the same blue-gray color as that. I still got to do all the closets in all of the bedrooms and the doors. And Barry and I built a shed for my lawnmowers and bicycles and all that stuff. For those of you who enjoy those kinds of projects, that's a separate video coming soon. Well, so I've been down here for I think 5 days, and I've actually gotten quite a bit done. I got, all the stuff moved in and got some more painting done and got the shed built mostly. And so now it's time to head home and back to my precious Elizabeth. Of course, I came down here by myself. So thanks for watching. Live simple, live free. Be blessed. See you next time.